Oil pressure, both went to the right on the run up. Still got a fuel mismatch. Got these couple of holes, got a hole over here. We'll see if the tanks start to correct themselves as they did last flight. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche's back taxiing 08. Time 10:03. I have this on third cylinder for the climb out. I'll leave it there for now. Bars are too small, it's too far away. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche's departing runway 08 to the southeast off the downwind. There we go. Alright, we're light. Nose will point to the bad engine. Identify, verify, feather. 1500 pressures are holding. Gauges are good. Got a little red line on the oil pressure. Clear that. 80. Brakes. Gears coming up. Blue line committed. And that left, right fuel flow pressure stays high. Gears confirmed up. South Jersey Twin Comanche downwind 08. Went to 25 square, everything else is full.
Typing to turning fine, 7 men 10.
South Jersey Twin Comanche's over top the field, 1500 southeast bound.
1 minute to go now for skydiving, please use caution, do not overfly the field, skydiving in 1 minute.
Fuel's holding. Let's pick up an initial 130. Lights. Gear flaps.
And that van stands Steerman, left base, third and final 7, last landing 7. Westbound traffic, left crosswind.
Fuel flow looks good.
Tomorrow traffic, Skyhawk 99273 left, crosswind 110.
On the Augs.
Currently VFR looks like the base is about 5,500 for me, scattered ceiling to my east, broken to the west. It looks like maybe a little bit of light precip in front of me for Port to Lima.
Port to Lima, roger, thank you.
McGuire approach, Twin Comanche 8632 Yankee.
November 8632 Yankee, McGuire, approach McGuire, altimeter 2983, ident, zero request.
2983, ident PA 30, 2008, climbing 3005, just passing November 1-4, headed towards the coast for some flight testing, pass coil, then I'll be returning back towards Victor Alpha Yankee.
November 8623 Yankee, squawk 0435, your radar contact position is reported.
0435, Twin Comanche 3 Yankee. Winds are out east, Bucky 120.
And November 23 Yankee, I have two aircraft maneuvering over the coast of altitudes 3,400 and 4,800.
Roger that. I'll probably be climbing to 5,005 over by the coast then. Reach Yankee. And the tail number 8632 Yankee.
Roger, thank you.
Alright, there's 3005 initial. Wire Twin Comanche 32 Yankee, request 5005.
32 Yankee, VFR altitude, your discretion.
Twin Comanche 32 Yankee, climbing 5.5.
McGuire, we're going to truck in inbound approach. Should we descend 620?
Negative, I'll call your descent.
Thank you.
Getting rocked around today. How's that fuel looking? Oil looks good. Alternator, good.
McGuire approach, that means a 3146 Whiskey 1000 for 2000.
3146 Whiskey, McGuire, approach ident.
Island 46 Whiskey.
Number 46 Whiskey, radar contact 1 mile northeast of Southers Airport, climb maintain 3000.
B.
Climb maintain 3000 and position check for 46 Whiskey.
McGuire, Twin Comanche 32 Yankee is going to turn northeast up the coast. McGuire, Twin Comanche 32 Yankee, we can cancel.
No, 32 Yankee, roger. I for cancel. Kristen, Better Coast Journey, Squawk B4 for change approved traffic at your 1 o'clock, 7 miles southbound heavy Boeing 767 arriving McGuire, going to be descending out of 3000.
32 Yankee, looking. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
473, heavy descent, maintain 2000 traffic. Southeast, 7 miles northwestbound, Twin Comanche 2900 descending.
473, 17, 2000, search for traffic. Wire approach, Saratoga 32, full off with you at 9.5.
Jet speed 93, traffic south 5 miles.
Fort Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Silver traffic, wake up, Midfield, flying Midfield, over Midfield, 2,200.
Alright, I'm on the mains. I descend 20 inches, 228.
Approaching 2,500 feet.
Traffic, 1W43, Mike Julia, taxi, runway 19, 5W.
Wind variable at 0.
Flying W traffic, Cessna 739 Zulu Hotel. We are like 4 to 5 miles out.
Maintain 3,000, jet speed 93.
473, heavy turn right heading 250.
Right, 250, 473.
Altitude 2,000.
473, that traffic on your roll-up is going to be at your 1000, Kristen at your 11 o'clock, 2000 descending.
McGuire, Twin Comanche 863 Yankee. I do have that traffic heavy 1 o'clock and I am rapidly descending at a 1008.
473, heavy, that traffic has you and is rapidly descending to avoid.
473, traffic's in sight.
473, roger, additional traffic, 11 o'clock and 5 miles appears maneuvering 1,200 indicated.
473.
South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanches 3 northeast inbound.
Silver traffic, wake up, left base, 22, Silver.
There's that. On the mains, lights are on, gear to come. Let's check that gear horn. Rear horn comes on. Power back. 15. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche, downwind 08.
Flying W traffic, 49 Yankees with downwind, departure to the north. Flying W.
Let's get that gear down. We're on the mains, I got the gear. Pumps, lights, mixture of props to come. And we'll be landing on 08.
Traffic point, go back left crossing 5 red line.
There we are, midfield downwind, gotta lose 100 feet. There you go. Power 15, first flaps. 1, 2, 3. Let her slow up a bit. Ah, all the flaps went. What do I know? Oh, let's turn base. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche, base 08. Dump all those flaps, mixture of props. Pull the power couple. Trim a couple. Gears confirmed down. Power's at 11, 22. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche, final 08. Winds are slightly from the right. Set up a crab. Gear down. Blue line, we'll commit this. Power's idle, mixture of props, final gear check, check. Get that trim. Gone for brakes.